Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Download OneDrive from your mobile app store and open the app after installation. When prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account or your work account. Free accounts include 5 GB of storage, and additional plans give 100 GB or more. Enable camera upload in settings to save photos automatically to OneDrive. Choose whether uploads happen only on Wi-Fi to control data usage. Review permissions so the app can access your camera and files securely. You are ready to proceed to basic file management and sharing. To add content, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen to upload files or create folders. Select Upload to choose photos, videos, or documents from your device. Use the scan option to capture documents and save them as PDFs directly to OneDrive. Name scanned files clearly and select a destination folder before saving. Organize your files by creating folders and moving items with drag and drop gestures. Use search to find files by name, content, or file type quickly. To share, select a file and tap Share to generate a link with view or edit permissions. You can set an expiration date or require a password for added security. Choose whether recipients can edit or only view the file before sending the link. For offline access, mark files or folders as available offline so you can open them without internet. Adjust sync settings to limit uploads on mobile data and to control battery usage. Finally, check storage settings to manage space and upgrade plans when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.